Hey, my beautiful friends. Today, I'm going to share one of the best-kept beauty secrets that will give you a spotless, glowing, and baby-soft skin without using chemical face washes or soaps. You won't believe where I learned this. I was at a family gathering when I noticed my best friend's sister. Her skin was radiant, silky smooth, and unbelievably bright. She looked like she never had a single skin problem. Curious, I asked, "What's your skincare secret?" She smiled and said, "I have never used a store-bought face wash or soap on my face. I only use this homemade face wash powder, and that's it." That got me so excited, and I immediately took notes. I started using this miracle face wash powder, and let me tell you, my skin changed completely. My texture improved, my skin tone brightened, and my face felt baby soft. And today, I'm sharing this secret with you all. Trust me, once you start using this, you'll never go back to chemical face washes again. Literally, in just 7 days, you'll see the visible transformation. Every time you use it, you'll feel instantly refreshed and rejuvenated. I'm sure you will absolutely love it. Try it once and you won't be able to resist its divine, natural scent. So, now, let's get started with this magical face wash powder. Whenever I eat oranges, I never throw away the peels. These peels are packed with rich nutrients that work like magic for our skin. They help in brightening, reducing dark spots, and giving a natural glow. So instead of wasting them, I dry the peels for 3 to 4 days and then microwave them for just 1 minute to ensure they're completely dry. Once they are crisp, I grind them into a fine powder and voila! A powerful homemade skincare ingredient is ready to use. Friends, stop throwing away orange peels. Instead, dry them and grind them into a fine powder. Trust me, this is one of the best natural ingredients for skincare. Try it once and you'll never waste orange peels again. The hero ingredient, green gram. Take 1 cup of green gram, moong dal. The hero of our recipe. I washed it thoroughly, dried it completely. Green gram is rich in antioxidants and helps in skin brightening, deep cleansing, and tan removal. It also has mild exfoliating properties that unclog pores and remove dead skin. All the product links are listed in the description below. Make sure to check them out for easy access. Dry roast the green gram in a pan until it turns slightly warm. Do not overheat. It should just be slightly roasted for better grinding. Once cooled, grind it into a fine powder. Step 1. The hero ingredient, green gram powder. Friends, let's start by taking a clean bowl and adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of our base powder, green gram powder. This powerful ingredient has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic skincare for its incredible brightening and cleansing properties. Why green gram? Deep cleanses the skin, removing dirt and excess oil. Rich in antioxidants, it fights dullness and gives a natural glow. Gently exfoliates to unclog pores and remove dead skin, leaving your face soft and fresh. Fades tan and pigmentation, giving an even skin tone. This simple yet magical ingredient is a game changer. Now, let's move on to the next powerful addition to our DIY face wash powder. Step 2. The glow-boosting ingredient, orange peel powder. Now, let's add 3 tablespoons of orange peel powder to our green gram base. But wait, let me tell you why I never throw away orange peels. Orange peels are a powerhouse of vitamin C, which is a must-have for bright, youthful skin. They help fade dark spots, acne scars, and pigmentation, making your skin spotless over time. Orange peel powder works as a natural astringent, controlling excess oil and preventing breakouts. It gently exfoliates, removes dead skin, and gives your face a fresh, radiant glow instantly. This is one of my favorite skincare ingredients because it instantly refreshes and brightens the skin. Now, let's move on to the next magical ingredient that will make this face wash even more powerful. Step 3. The golden powder for skin and hair. Friends, I always have this magical golden powder ready at home because it's my go-to ingredient for skin and hair care. This DIY powder is made by roasting and grinding 3 powerful ingredients: methi seeds, fenugreek, the ultimate anti-aging and skin-firming agent. It helps to control oil production, reduce acne, and give a youthful glow to the skin. Curry leaves, a hidden skincare gem. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, it helps to fight pigmentation, even out skin tone, and brighten the complexion naturally. Flax seeds, the hydration booster. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, it keeps the skin moisturized, reduces wrinkles, and makes the skin soft and supple. This golden powder is a must-have for your DIY face wash powder. It nourishes, repairs, and enhances your skin's natural glow, truly a game-changer in skincare. Try it once, and you'll never look back. Step 4. Sandalwood Powder, the ultimate skin perfector. Now, let's add 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder, a timeless beauty secret that has been used for centuries. If you dream of clear, bright, and spotless skin, this ingredient is a must-have in your skincare routine. If you have irritation, redness, or acne, sandalwood works like a charm to cool and heal your skin. It gently reduces blemishes, dark spots, and uneven skin tone, leaving your skin flawless. Sandalwood is packed with skin-brightening properties that give you a radiant, healthy complexion. This ingredient will take your DIY face wash powder to the next level, ensuring deep cleansing, healing, and glow-boosting benefits. Trust me, your skin will love it. Step 5. Rice flour, the gentle exfoliator for bright, youthful skin. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of rice flour, a natural skin polisher that works wonders for smooth, spotless, and glowing skin. Rice flour gently buffs away dead cells, leaving your skin baby-soft and fresh. It helps fade pigmentation, dark spots, and dullness, revealing a radiant complexion. Rice flour absorbs excess oil and keeps your skin fresh and shine-free. Why do Japanese and Koreans swear by rice powder? Ever wondered how Japanese and Korean women have such flawless, porcelain-like skin? Their secret lies in rice-based skincare. This magical ingredient is the key to a naturally radiant and youthful glow, just like in Korean and Japanese beauty traditions. Step 6. Gram flour, the secret to soft and radiant skin. Now, let's add 1 tablespoon of gram flour, besan, but this step is optional. If you don't want to add it, you can skip it. But I personally love adding gram flour because of its amazing skin benefits. Gram flour acts as a natural cleanser, removing dirt, oil, and toxins from the skin. It lightens tan, fades dark spots, and gives an instant glow. Besan helps in absorbing excess oil, making it perfect for those with oily or acne-prone skin. Why I always add gram flour. I've been using gram flour in my skincare for years, and trust me, it makes a huge difference. It leaves the skin soft, smooth, and naturally bright. It's like a mini facial every time you use it. Step 7. Turmeric, the golden skin healer. Now, let's add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. But here's the secret. Always use wild turmeric, kasturi manjal, for the best results. Unlike regular turmeric, wild turmeric doesn't stain and is packed with powerful skin-enhancing benefits. Turmeric fades dark spots, reduces pigmentation, and gives a radiant glow. Its antibacterial properties help to control breakouts and prevent acne scars. This is a natural anti-inflammatory ingredient that calms irritation and makes the skin look fresh and youthful. Why is turmeric a must-have in skincare? Turmeric has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic beauty rituals because of its magical skin brightening and healing properties. Just a pinch of this golden ingredient can transform your skin over time. Finally, mix everything together. Blend all these magical ingredients into a fine powder and store it in an airtight glass jar. Storage tip: store this face wash powder in a dry, airtight container. It stays fresh for 2 to 3 months if kept in a cool, dry place. One of the best things about this face wash powder is its amazing natural fragrance. The refreshing citrusy scent of orange peel, the earthy aroma of sandalwood, and the soothing essence of turmeric make it feel like a luxurious spa experience at home. How to use this DIY face wash powder for maximum glow. Using this magical face wash powder is super simple and gives instant freshness. Here's how to do it. Take 1 teaspoon of the powder in your palm. Mix it with a little water, rose water, or milk to form a smooth paste. Gently apply it to your face and neck and massage in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry for soft, glowing skin. Customize it for your skin type. For oily skin, mix with rose water or plain water to control excess oil. For dry skin, mix with milk or honey to deeply nourish and hydrate. For sensitive skin, mix with curd or aloe vera gel for a soothing effect. Use this daily instead of your regular face wash and watch your skin transform. Bright, spotless, and silky smooth. Try it for just 7 days and you'll never go back to store-bought face washes. I've added all the product links in the description to make it super easy for you. Just check below for all the details. What results can you expect? Day 1. Skin feels instantly clean, soft, and refreshed. Day 3. Your skin starts looking brighter and smoother. Day 7. Visible glow, reduced pigmentation, and baby-soft texture. After 1 month, your skin will look naturally flawless, youthful, and radiant. Friends, this DIY face wash powder is a total game changer. If you try this for just 7 days, I promise you won't want to switch back to store-bought face washes ever again. Let me know in the comments if you're excited to try this. And if you do, come back and share your experience. I can't wait to hear your results. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing skincare secrets.